really means meditation. What the word meditation really means. Hello friends, this is Shundel, and today's share is about understanding what meditation really means. Meditation is the action or practice of meditating. It is written or spoken discourse expressing considered thoughts on a subject. Meditations is like comprehension or contemplation. Meditation is about thinking a thing over and over again. It is very important that we can understand the word meditation. Why is that? Because it really affects in our life. What we are thinking, we are dwelling on it, and that is the thing, it will come in our life. We have to understand the word meditation. How can we do that? Be aware of your thoughts. You have to think what the thing you want in your life. Dwell it. Think about it. And that thought you are thinking about is what you are dwelling, and that will come into your life. Many times I shared through prayers and meditation, we can get what we want in our life. And why is that? Because you are dwelling the good things that you want in your life. And you can't get that when you dwell that in your mind. Understanding meditation is about a specific object. Concentrate on a specific object, image, or even a mantra. Repeat that again and again in your mind. Relax breathing. Practice deep, even face breathing to reduce tension. Start in a quiet spot with minimal distractions. Comfortable position. Meditate in a position that's comfortable with you. Dwell on that and focus. What you are focusing on, you can really make it. You can succeed of all the things you want in your life when you can stay focused. Sit a seat, find a place to sit that feelings calm and to quiet yourself. And set a time limit. Notice your body. Notice your breathing. Feel your breath. Notice when your mind has wandering. Be kind to your wander mind. Close it with kindness at the end of it. It is about focusing one thing that you want. Understanding meditation is very important. And why is that? Because you are going to transform your inner power in you. The transformative power of meditation is very important. You have to focus on one thing, because meditation has a rich history that spans thousands of years. Initially, it was practiced to deepen one's understanding of sacred and mystical forces in life. In contemporary times, meditation has evolved into a powerful tool for relaxation and stress reduction. It is important to recognize that meditation is considered a type of mind-body complementary medicine. There you are. If you are sick, you can use meditation as well of having that good health you need. It is important to recognize that meditation is considered a type of mind-body complementary medicine. The power of this is focus. Meditation is all about the power of focus. By directing your attention, you can clear your mind and the jumbled thoughts that often causes stress and anxiety. This process needs to enhance physical and emotional well-being. When you meditate, you have various options to focus your attention. Yes, specific object. Concentrate on a specific object image, and you can keep on thinking again and again, over and over again, what you want to do with your life. And you have to understand there's an effect and benefits of meditation. It will release your stress. Understanding how to relax after a stressful day can be significantly contribute to calm you down if you meditate. Yes, you have the power in you. You can use if you want to calm it down. Become yourself, your breathing, your everything by taking meditation, especially after work. Understand that to meditate in a position that's comfortable for you and have an open mind that you're doing it for yourself to feel good. And you are the only one who can do that. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.